everybody, welcome back to Ben Trading Cards, and today let's relate this place to TCG. Let's talk about it. We're here in southern Philippines. This is Mindanao, and this location is called Claveria, a very cold place compared to other places that can go up to about 18 degrees centigrade and a lot of fog in the morning. And then you can see the mountains here on top. My background, this is a mountain, and this is the level of the calm. So that means this is really high altitude, right? And this place can go foggy, and it's always raining. And most of the time, almost every day, it's raining. But now it's very nice weather I can record outside. So we're here for a vacation, and I can see this land right here. This is for sale actually. So we're looking at very nice location and maybe some opportunity to invest in here because to give you a little bit of background here, this is a place for like 10 years ago or 20 years ago. This place is like nothing. There's no concrete roads, and it's just gravel and then soil, nothing. So they started having that, and they see the potential of this place because this place is really cold. And when you live below this mountain, it's hot. It can go up to 30 32 degrees centigrade all the time, and it's hot. So people go from that place to here just to have like a refreshing environment, right? It's cold. So they see the value, and you can now see people are building so much resorts. They build restaurants, and they see the value. They make the road wider and easy to travel. And you can see that there are also cold springs, falls in here, in other places, and they started developing. And that's why this place is now on sale. Then when you if you want to purchase the land in front of it, of the road, it's just beside the road, you can make it as commercial land. Then the price of this one many years ago, I can say probably 5 years ago, before pandemic and before that, okay, it was 800 pesos per square meter. So that means 800 pesos is like $20 per square meter. Okay, remember that. So this place is really that was a long time ago. Now in that same place, so because of the development, the price goes up to 100 Canadian dollars per square meters. That was from $20 per square meter to 100 per square meters. And now they have like this land is sold as are selling for about 2,500. That is about 50 or 60 dollars per square meters, right? So this is like farther from the main road. Okay, so I realized that looking at this land, it's like TCG. Like when a creator creates its own TCG, people haven't heard about the TCG, haven't seen that TCG, but you can see the potential of the TCG, And few people support the TCG. They buy the boxes, they buy the game very cheap, right? So they start at low price, and eventually when people see the potential of that TCG, like sorcery, I bought sorcery with about 150 Canadian dollars box of it. Box. Now it's 800, right? So you can see that if you see a potential of a certain product like this land, DCG, or other assets or a stock, then you have to. Oh, there's an ant. Yeah, if you can see a potential or the potential of this product, well, you can, if you have the money to invest, grab it. Just like now, TCGs are coming down because the market is going down. People are moving their cryptocurrency to the stock market, and some are moving it to gold, to the stocks, and people are, now is bearish on trading card games like Meidazu. Meidazu, I can see that people are selling the Kickstarter product at $2,500. It was 12,000 um, 2 years ago, and now they're selling it at two 2,500. So that is a big drop of price because people are bearish on the market, and they don't see the potential of the game anymore. So I don't know, it's probably the developer of the game, just like this land. When if there are bad guys that is roaming around here, then people will see it as a danger, a hazard to their life. So they leave, and this land goes, the price of it will go down. But I don't see any potential a potential hazard on this land because the government is protecting this. So just like the TCG, that the developer is the creator Mike Waddell of the Meidazu. The I'm not sure if it's mismanaged, but the price of the the boxes now are very cheap. So if you see the potential of certain product like this kind of TCG, then buy it, right? Get it. Because for me, I can see the potential of sorcery, that it's gonna go up. The price of that box from 800, it was 1,000 a month ago, and now it's 800. You can buy a box of sorcery. So I can see the potential of sorcery. Why not buy more if you can see the potential, right? Because they are starting to go to game cons, and they're introducing sorcery to the players now. They started introducing it to the collectors, and that's the Kickstarter, and they concentrated or focused on the collectors. Now they are going on to the players to play the game, to have tournaments, and some conventions they can show their product. So I can see the potential of this sorcery. And Meidazu, I can also see the potential, but people are skeptical or negative as also with Mike Waddell, because the way Mike Waddell acts on his business is sometimes people are, you know, angry about it. I'm not sure if why he does things that way, but there are some negativities, and when they put someone in, I can't remember the name, but they put a someone that helped Meidazu as president, and not the CEO. Mike Waddell is still the CEO. People are also angry about that switch. Anyway, so I can. This video is to give you an insight that the TCG is not just TCG. It's similar or related to land, real estate, because it's something that they have in common. Like when people don't see the potential yet, and when it become popular, then people grab it. That's why the price of things like this goes up in price in the next few years. So I'm talking with my siblings, and maybe we can invest something like this or somewhere, something like that. Then I keep on investing in TCG to so those who have potential, and also I like the place. I like the view of this land. I like the game of the TCG. I like the creator, the developer of the TCG. I gonna put my money on it, right? So I just want to talk about it, and also give you the whole picture of the trading card game compared to this asset. All right. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, and see you in the next video. This has been Trading Cards.